I told me someone knew that Quaye. And she put me in the court for 15 years. This is the 16th year. Me from appeal, from High Court, appeal, Supreme Court. In winning, me talk my bill one market, and he can't one of the court. I ask for you, can't one of the she got the court. Not the court, never. I heard it. Babula mo family Nungua. I want Babula Malaji Nungua. Get me into court. I told you, Odai. Ingbajo da swama. Came into court. Babula mo here mode. Into court for 15 years. Ni woman chebe. Manja mi na tashe fio. Nona sa ni manja mi fe ahami. Babula mo ka pene. Amega me to court recently. Really. Aka mega bashipon. Fe member ni wa na mega police kan bi e ba bi e. Maba. Me janu wanyo jimi. Ani kanu wanyo te wo na agbelo ke ba. Ayo ya de. Kanu wanyo te wo na tension. Na agbelo ke tension yen ke ba ayo ya de. Kanu ke pesi me te court. Ni wina me. Ni wama ba ke yende ne ke ame. Ni wama ba ke yende ne ke ame. Mina wo gbabu wo flana ka. Ina ala ke nyemi onupa ni mi respect ole. Se ka ni bi ko me janna. Ni ye. Ne bala ke mbumu. Mi pala fawa. Ni yawuno Christian yawuno. Ne tawa IGPA ye. Le. Homo ni ama ke slaji se. Christian yawuno homo ni ama ke slaji se. Nega fio nega ni bine ni wa bani ni bana police lole ma ose e ka police e ba bie ka asu egbe me bie ka police e ba ka asu egbe me ka police e ba Christian yawuno e ka malaika ama me fio ne ani afio ne ka hin ma mi ama fe lo ka court ate on to Supreme Court now her judgment their ruling she her judgment ni ba ke e da fe judgment there ni aba mo ko kaba mo fe nu wa me alo mo nu wa nyoni ni to na wi ni ame na ke ha me e ko bada tu me ba ke bi sida enyi na shipon ni nu wa nyoji ni nu wa me ni nye nu wa ma mi na me ko shipon na me ho ko ya mo ko de ni wa me ni nye shipon ni wa gbe bi ni nye shipon na me ho shipon na me lele gani ko alo nu wa shipon na ya no na mi e ko no da ne ba ka minno le ba heyende e ba ka minno le ba heyende ni yo uno apetese na me ka fe no na mesmo nye to ano ma nya ba The journalist, I call you this afternoon because of a land situated at Adingano. Adengano, opposite Presby Church, Allied Bank. I have battled this land for 15 years. This is the 16th year that we have taken Supreme Court judgment. We won, that was 2023. A whole of last year, Christian Yawuno, so-called Christian Yawuno, and Malaika, and one sledge, sledge Dodo or whatever, I don't know his name for sledge. They all rallied behind Mamiama Samampa's daughter, and they were fighting with me. We have gone to court again. We have got a ruling, but yes still, is fighting with me. When you look at behavior, he has been police. Any day that we come here, police, and Christian Yawuno, the one that is fighting for IGP, Christian Yawuno, he is the one who is doing all this. Anytime that you call police, I want to ask the nation if it's bigger than the Supreme Court. If Yawuno and Malaika, they are bigger than the police, the Supreme Court, or they are bigger than the law. They should tell me. And I want to ask Babu Ram that if somebody from Nungua, a native from Nungua, 100% Nungua, then you said you taking the land from me. Can it be possible? No. Can it be possible for you to take the land from me? No. I am not a native of Nungua. I am not a native of Nungua. I'm asking. I'm not a native of Nungua. So if I fight for 15 years, I have cleared some people on the land, so-called Tessa. I have cleared them from the land. Then you, Babu Ram, you rather behind Yawuno, Mamiama, sledge, and then you want to take the land from me. Will it be possible? No. You see, I want to tell Babu Ram, he's my senior brother, and I salute him always. But he shouldn't let me say things that I don't want to say. I'm respecting him as Babu Ram. You see, I don't want that because Theophilus Takoteko bought this land from Nungua, Nikakai, Babu Ram, the one that has passed away. Melinda, and everybody. He bought it, and the first court, one high court, he won. They said, okay, we'll sell the remaining one to you, and they started collecting money. Theophilus Takoteko. Is it the Father Christmas? No. Is it the Father Christmas? No. They will collect money here and there. He Babu Ram that is now current Babu Ram. The money he was part. He took part of that money. Then why? Why is he behaving this way? Why is he behaving this way? You see, the King Odai Weleji, he has given us all the necessary documents that we should receive. But yes, still, Babu Ram, the one that Nyamita Commission said he should come and help King to sign documents. Now he said he's overlord. He is overrun. He's above the King. Is it possible? No. Is it possible? No. And he's doing that. He's doing that. And I don't know. Elders of Nungua are asleep. Elders of Nungua, they are sleepy. Elders of Nungua, they are sleepy. They should wake up. They should wake up. All the elders of Nungua, they should wake up. Because Akote is doing wrong things. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Theophilus
can be IGP, not people.
Me have big land grabber.
Me have big
He's a greedy land
It's a greedy
He's a greedy land grabber.
I'm done.
He's a greedy land keeper.
I have big dreams for Ghana.
Yes.
Me IGP.
Yes.
Never was.
I will take a bullet for you.
Which one?
Yes,